MiniCRIOTEL is a specific telemetry system for cryogenic tanks, with integrated, innovative, and ultra-low power pressure and level sensor. To activate the device, simply switch on the unit and enter into the tank configuration menu. All unit setup can be done locally or remotely by the CSS platform. A stainless steel bracket supports MiniCRIOTEL and the solar panel for mounting to the cryogenic tank surface with 8 neodymium magnets for an easy and quick installation. MiniCRIOTEL can be supplied through a 5-watt solar panel, a primary battery, or an external power supply at 24 voltage. Solar panel can be also remoted for better sun exposition if required. MiniCRIOTEL unit can transmit tank status information through an integrated 4G worldwide modem card with low-cost transmissions every hour. All tanks information is easily available on MiniCRIOSystem Supervisor, the specific platform designed by Ambra Sistemi. Level and pressure are read every 15 seconds, and in case of alarm detection, the unit sends the notification to the platform in real time. Gas suppliers can schedule tanks filling to customers based on a level planning to optimize logistic costs. Ambra Sistemi, we design, we find solutions, we simplify your job. Find out more at ambrasistemi.it.